Right. Today we are going to talk about inflammation. What is the cause of inflammation? What is the sign of inflammation? So let's go. What is inflammation? Inflammation is a vascular and immune response to the infection, to the injury. What is inflammation? Inflammation is a vascular response and immune response to the injury. What is mean by vascular response? When some needle due to bacteria or trauma or heat, our body part is injured. Here, some changes occur in the blood vessel. Vascular response mean some changes occur in the blood vessel, and immune response mean some changes occur in the immune system. So inflammation is a vascular and immune response to the infection, to the injury. Okay. This is the normal condition which is infected by needle. Inflammation occur due to some needle trauma, heat, bacteria, other pathogen. So there, I take a needle. This area is infected by a needle, so inflammation is start here. This area become redness, warmth, pain occur, swelling occur, more leaking blood occur from the blood vessel. So how this process is occur? What is the purpose of the inflammation? The purpose of the inflammation is to bring more white blood cell, to the infected area. This area become infected. The purpose of inflammation is there to bring more white blood cell, antibodies to the infected area in order to remove the infection, in order to stop the infection, the further destruction of the body. This area is destroyed due to the needle. So here start inflammation. The purpose of inflammation is to bring more white blood cell, more antibody, more water, in order to remove in order to remove the disease-causing microbe and to stop the further infection. So, how this process occur? This is my blood vessel. This is my blood vessel arterioles. This is the capillary. This is the capillary end. This is the arteriole end of the capillary. This is the venule end of the capillary. In the normal condition, the blood is such like dotted point in narrow condition. It is the normal condition where the blood vessel and the capillary are in normal state, narrow state. So this is the dilated condition. When infection occur, this area become dilated. How it become dilated? When this area is infected by a needle, suppose this is the cell. This is the these are the intercellular cells. These are the tissue cells. This cell is infected by the needle. Then the infected cell release bradykinin, histamine, and prostaglandin. These substances are released by the infected cell, which is present in the these are the intercellular cells. These are the tissue cells. These substances release what? These substances release histamine. Histamine. These substances release histamine. This substance releases histamine. Another prostaglandin, and histamine, prostaglandin, bradykinin, and leukotriene. What is the function of histamine? Histamine when released by the infected cell, then this histamine is thrown into the blood vessel. Histamine dilate the blood vessel. Here the blood vessel is dilated from the dotted point. Dotted point are the normal size of the blood vessel. When histamine release, histamine dilate the blood vessel. So more blood come. What is the importance of more blood coming? When more blood come, more WBC occur. More WBC come to this area, and more antibody will come to this area. More water will come to this area. So histamine dilate the blood vessel. Histamine dilate the blood vessel. What is prostaglandin? Prostaglandin, bradykinin, leukotriene. These are all the vasodilators. These are all dilate the blood vessel. But prostaglandin also, histamine also work as the endothelial cell contraction. As we know that this is a blood vessel. Blood vessel is made from the cell. The process is such like when the blood vessel dilate, more blood come here. This area also become dilate. This area whole become dilate due to histamine, prostaglandin, bradykinin, leukotriene. I zoom this area only. What occurred? So this is the zooming area. This is the cutted area. This is the normal condition. Suppose this is the normal condition. When histamine occur, when histamine is released, then histamine come and dilate this area. This is the normal condition. The function of histamine contract. Histamine contract the endothelial cell. As you know that blood vessel is made from the endothelial cell. This is the normal endothelial cell which have small pores. These are the small pores. But when histamine come, histamine contract the endothelial cell of the blood vessel and make the blood vessel round like shape, which make the blood vessel more porous. So these are become more porous. This is the function of histamine. So here the blood vessel become dilate and more leaky. So there come more WBC, more white blood cell. There come more WBC plus antibodies, more water. So the infected area become swell up. Here edema occur. So the infected area become swell up and pain occur. Why pain occur? Pain occur because this area swell up. So when this area swell up, here the amount of the fluid become more. So more blood, more amount of the fluid there and exert more pressure on the neuron ending. So pain occur. This area become red because of more blood coming to this area. This area become warm because blood is warm. This area become warm, painful, redness will occur, pain will occur, and swelling will occur to the infected area. Okay. What is the purpose of the inflammation? Here the inflammation occur. Suppose there are some bacteria attack. This is a little. I am say there is some bacteria suppose attack. So for the destruction of that pathogen, that bacteria, and the removal of that bacteria from the infected side and to prevent the further infection, there come more WBC. White blood cell will fight against that bacteria. What is the function of WBC? To fight against that bacteria. Here come more neutrophil, more basophil, more T helper cell, B lymphocyte, etc. to fight against that bacteria. So in order to prevent the further infection and to remove the infected cells and the destroyed out bacteria. How these infected cell, infected bacteria, infected pathogen are removed from the tissue space again to the blood. Here this is the tissue space. There bacteria is dry out, normal body cell is also die out. So there form a pus. What is a pus? Pus is the dead microphage, dead neutrophil, dead eosinophil, basophil, dead body cell. So there form a pus. How this pus is removed from this area? This pus is again go to the blood vessel plus blood vessel and removed from this area. How this process occur? This process is occur due to two pressure. Here, suppose here are two pressure: hydrostatic pressure and osmotic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure. With the help of what is hydrostatic pressure? The pressure here, the pressure which is exerted by the water in order to leak out more WBC, more antibody, more iron, etc. to the tissue space. Due to the hydrostatic pressure, these substance WBC, etc. is go out to the infected site. This substance is go out to the infected site with the help of hydrostatic pressure. This pressure is applied by the water. Here more blood come, so hydrostatic pressure is here more. in the start, hydrostatic pressure is very more. This is the hydrostatic pressure graph. Hydrostatic pressure slightly fall down. Okay, and here other pressure. This is a hydrostatic pressure. With the passage of time, the hydrostatic pressure fall down. And why hydrostatic pressure fall down? Hydrostatic pressure fall down because hydrostatic pressure is only due to the water, and here the water is go to the tissue space, so hydrostatic pressure is fall down. Here another pressure, osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is normal, is non-changeable, is constant. This is the osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is not changed here. What is osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure is the pressure which is exerted by the large protein molecule in the blood vessel. Here protein molecule is present in the blood vessel which produce osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure help and retaking up the fluid from the extracellular cell, from the tissue space. From the tissue space, some described pathogen or other substance fluid is go back to the blood with the help of the osmotic pressure. Why this pressure is become normal? Why this pressure is constant? Because this pressure is due to the plasma protein, due to the large molecule of the plasma protein, and here the plasma protein is not go out, so the plasma protein is remain in the normal concentration, so the this pressure become constant and cannot be fall down. This pressure fall down because this is due to the water, and the water when go out the pressure fall down, but this pressure is due to the protein, and protein do not go outward, so this pressure become normal. With the help of this pressure, when water go out from this area become more concentrated with less water, so it attract more water, more fluid to back to the this area, so here the pus and etc. is come back to the blood vessel.